Another, let me adjust these a little bit. Another road case, same house. Now, somebody mentioned in the last video when I found this, or the other one, that's aluminum. Why didn't you throw it out? Because it's breakage. It is not all aluminum. And breakage only pays 3 cents a pound more than shred. And that other case didn't weigh any more than this one. This might weigh 20 pounds. So for, wait, it's flat down in there if I can get it. I should have cut the hose off of this when I was at the garage yesterday, but I didn't. So that's gonna fly around a little bit in the back, but that's okay. Yeah, he's right there, and there's scrap sitting right there. So, and I was gonna back over there, but he's over there. Maybe I might. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. But I need the space. So there's a grill. How heavy, I don't know. Boy, that's pretty big. Is it on wheels? Yes. Oh, there's a, looks like a stainless steel sink too. All right, we will start with the grill first. Good, they tied it all shut. We'll get that in a moment. Oh, brother, this is not gonna be easy. Oh, man. I want to kind of wait for him to get by. Oh, come on, get up. Get your butt up. Hey, come on. Oh, baby, come on. Stand up. Oh, man, I don't want to stand up. I kind of want to wait for him to get by. Come on. I need it to stand up. Otherwise, I'm not getting a truck. All right. We're going to wait for him to go by. Get up there. Get up there. Come on, Billy. Hold on. So hold it. Okay. All right, let's do it this way. Okay. Okay. This thing is like falling apart as I'm putting it in the truck. That's probably why they got all this stuff tied on there. Get in there. Come on. Okay, going that way then, fine. Rest of the stuff I can heave over onto the side. Let me get the bicycle. It is muy cold, folks. Yep. Whoa. Come on, get off of my foot. It is muy cold. It's below freezing out right now. You can go right. Well, probably gonna put that somewhere else. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. have to let those chairs pass. But this I won't. What's in that box? There's a little chunk of brass on the bottom there. See that? What's in the box? Maybe more brass. That would be cool. Let's have a look. Come on. Brass, please. Brass. Ah, stupid drones. Brass. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Guess where you're going? You hit the right up front. The old fat guy. Yeah, it is below freezing right now. If it weren't early and I had my Sawzall with me, I'd do a Canadian treasure hunter does and just cut that joker down and throw it in, but I'm gonna go with what I have and make no complaints. Okay, I saw this on the way to work last night, and I thought if it was gonna still be here this morning, you know what? That's plastic. That's a whole lot of plastic. I was gonna grab it, but no soap. So we're going to take the cord off of it. Yeah, I don't have the room for it. So the cord to add to the tote. Let's get in the truck before the driver gets here. I swear I could be seeing things, but I am not seeing things. It is a chunk of rebar. So all these pumpkins, and if oh no, those are patio blocks, and a stick, and a bunch of wood. I'll take a chunk out of rebar. Why not? Look at all that ash. Damn. Oh, it don't weigh but half a pound. Of course. See, now I'll take, well, maybe I won't. They got the, yeah, they cut a bunch of it out. Looking at the wrong part of the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. All right, folks, a funny thing just happened. I got up and looked at that, then I went over and looked at that chair, and then I shut you off, and the owner of this house, and he came out the driveway and his wife came out the front, and he said, hey, you want a water heater? I said, small truck issue. He said, do you come by every Monday? I said, I do. He said, I will put it out next Monday morning. I said, okay, I will come over here and get it before I go do Summers, because I work out at Amazon. He said, okay, cool. Gave him a business card. The funny thing is he said, yeah, that's not scrap metal. We had a party in it's a cul-de-sac here. They had a party and they forgot to bring it back in, so that wasn't scrap anyways. Well, that's cool. Water heater next Monday. Sweet. I gotta shut the truck off for this one, folks. This might be metal. I don't know. I saw it, I thought shepherd's hook. It is metal. I'll be damned. This is not the only metal I have found. I mean, I don't just shut the truck off for just any metal, but I'm gonna walk up and get this. I saw this on the way in. This is a cul-de-sac. It goes around over there. saw these, and as I pulled in, I'm like, is that you know what, if I can, I don't want to take all the plastic. I said, are those lights, or is that like a shade? Oh, brother, maybe I'd do myself a favor and just take the plastic. Worry about it later. Yep, so what I'm saving up for again is that tire, this tire, and this is the new one, the newest one, and sister to that on that side. So, and we're about, oh, I don't know, $100 shy of that. So, all right, let's keep looking. So when you use a GoPro, folks, the video, and you video segment, when you first start, you hit the button and it goes beep, beep, beep. Then you video your segment, and then you shut the camera off after the segment's over, and it does 7 beeps. Well, I started it up to pick this stuff up, and yeah, brother, oh, that's a good hefty bunch. And it beep, beep, beeped, and then it did one long beep. And usually what that means is your battery is just dead. So, thank you folks for tying this into a wonderful knot. Come on, get. Okay, back it up and then go over it. That may require a plunger. Yeah, I don't know if you remember, I had there's a couple of chairs in here in the last load, and put something else in. Oh, that bicycle, or that scooter and that bicycle. And when I was yanking on the bungee cord to put it back, well, that was just stupid. To wrap it back around the chair, well, it didn't. It just yip, yahoo, and damn near hit me in the face coming apart. Let's see, I might have to do this a couple of times around here. I just want to hold it in. Now let's see if I can get enough stretch on it. That's it. Reach across. Probably not. Oh, okay, one too many. Try one less, see if that'll work. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, I can't get this far enough ahead. Maybe yank the grill over a wee bit this way. That. Will that fit in between there now? There we go. That's what I want. You know what? Then I don't need the bungee. Should have used my head for something other than a hat rack there, folks. There we go. A little more steelium. I think this is scrap metal. Yeah, we'll take it. That's good. Okay. Okay, well, okay. So let's take care of this one first. It is a mess. And throw my cutters on the ground. Wait. Okay. Morning. Leave it better than you found it, right? Okay. Boy, they really wrapped this around here. Come on. Just turn down. Well, okay. Yeah, come on, get under there. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Precarious cut. There we go. Well, it's in that basket. It's not going to go anywhere. Sorry for that. Well, now, get over here. Sorry for the head bob. I thought for sure I was going to get whacked in the head with the end of one of these cords. Yep, that's a pretty good sign that it's had it. There we go. More of a mess that pays money. Woo-hoo. Scrap chairs.